setting the hidden state for each mini-batch with different hidden sizes and multiple LSTM layers in keras. I created an LSTM using keras with TensorFlow as backend. Before a mini-batch with a num_step of 96 is given to the training, the hidden state of the LSTM is set to true values of a previous time step. First, the parameters and data. The keras model consists of 2 LSTM layers and 1 layer to trim the output to num_output, which is 2. The generator, as well as the training, hidden_states x, as shape, 2. This code does not give me an error, but I have 2 questions about it. 1. Inside the generator I set the hidden state of the LSTM model.layers0.state0 to a variable on hidden_states gen_data.current_id, with a shape, 2. Why is this possible for an LSTM with a hidden size greater than 2? 2. The values in hidden_states gen_data.current_id could also be an output from the keras model. Does it make sense for a 2-layer LSTM to set the hidden state in this way?
States in LSTM. An LSTM is made up of gates which calculate the cell state and hidden state. In the figure, the top arrow coming out of the right of LSTM is the cell state, C_T, and the bottom arrow is the hidden state, H_T. The cell states are the result of gated manipulation and the size of state is same as the hidden_size of the LSTM. Every unrolling, with its corresponding input x, results in its own cell state. In case of LSTM, the cell state is composed of 2-value hidden_state H_T of batch_size x hidden_size, and cell_state, C_T, of batch_size x hidden_size. Note: in case of GRU/RNN there is no cell state, there is only hidden state, so the cell state in case is just H_T of size, batch_size, hidden_size. Reference. Keras implementation of LSTM. Keras docs. The number of state tensors is 1, for RNN and GRU, or 2, for LSTM. Illustrated guide to LSTM and GRU. Feeding states. In your example, the layers 0 refers 1 LSTM and layers 1 refer to the second LSTM. If your intention is to initialize the cell state, C_T, of the nth batch as from the cell state of N1, i.e. previous batch, there are 2 options. The way you are doing in the generator, but use states 1 if you want C_T and states 0 for H_T. Similarly, use layers 0 for first LSTM and layers 1 for second LSTM. But use set_value methods instead. See edit below. Use keras stateful equals true. With stateful set to true, the LSTM states are not reset after every batch. So if you have a batch with 5 data samples, each of some sequence length, you will get a cell state for each of the 5 data samples. With stateful set to true, these states are used to initialize the next batch cell state for the next batch. Edit. The method set_value should be used to set the value of a tensor variable. The code model.layers0.states0 equals k dot variable value equals hidden underscore states gen underscore data dot current underscore id is valid because what it is doing is changing the state 0, which was pointing to a variable of size, batch underscore size x hidden underscore size, to a variable of size, batch underscore size x2. It is not changing the value of the tensor variable but rather making it point to a new tensor variable of different dimension. Test code. Output. As you can see, they are two different variables. The correct way to do this is output if your code is fixed, then will throw an error as the size of tensor and the size of the value you are setting to do not match.